Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how do I back up my MacBook to iCloud. If you use a MacBook, one of the most important things you should do is back up your metadata. Imagine losing your important files, photos, documents or work because of a system crash or accidental deletion. That can be really frustrating. The good news is that Apple provides an easy way to keep your files safe using iCloud. With iCloud, your files automatically sync and stay backed up across all your Apple devices. So even if something happens to your MacBook, your data remains safe in the cloud. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to back up your MacBook to iCloud step by step, so you can protect your important files and access them from anywhere. Let's get started. First, click on this Apple icon, open System Preferences. Once the System Settings window is open, look at the top sidebar, click on Apple ID here. This is where you manage your Apple account and cloud services. Inside the Apple ID section, find and click on iCloud here on this side. Here you will see all the apps and services that you store data in iCloud. iCloud works by syncing your files with Apple's cloud servers, so your data stays updated across devices like your Mac, iPhone and iPad. Now turn on third step. Turn on iCloud Drive. Okay, make sure iCloud Drive is turned on here. As you can see, it is ticked. Once enabled, your Mac will start syncing file to your iCloud storage. You can also click options to choose, like here, click options to choose which apps can store documents in iCloud. For most users, it's best to leave the default setting enable. Okay, but there is one main part: enable desktop and document backup. As you can see on the top, inside the iCloud Drive option, click on this. Turn this option on. This is very useful because it automatically uploads everything from your desktop and documents folder to iCloud. That means your important files will automatically be backed up without you needing to manually upload them. Okay, now as you can see here, if I want to take the mail option, it will sync the mail also. If I untick this, it will not sync my mail. Now click on done. Now let's verify this, it is backed up or not. What you have to do, just open your Finder. Now here you can see iCloud Drive. Click on iCloud Drive. As you can see, the backup of my desktop documents or many applications which I have selected in iCloud. Okay, now one great thing about iCloud is that once it's enabled, it works automatically. Once it enables, it works automatically. Whether you add, edit or delete files in your synced folders, the changes update across all devices in real time. So you don't need to worry about manually backing up your data every day. One thing, keep in mind that iCloud is mainly designed for syncing files, not full system backup. It is very important part which I am telling to you. If you want a complete backup of your entire Mac, Apple also provides another features called Time Machine. You can see Time Machines here in System Preferences. Here on the bottom, Time Machine, which works with external drives. Many users actually use both iCloud and Time Machine together for the best data protection. So that's how you can back up your MacBook to iCloud. Just enable iCloud Drive from the Apple ID. turn on desktop and document syncing, and your important files will automatically stay backed up in the cloud. This makes it much easier to keep your data safe and accessible across all your Apple's devices. If you use your Apple ecosystem, you've connected your MacBook to your iPhone or iWatch. That's called Apple ecosystem. So it can be very convenient for you in that case as well. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Mac tutorials like this. And if you have any question about MacBook tips or iCloud, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.